Welcome back to Redneck's Dirty Hands. I'm Pete, and today we have a special guest. Not the X3, but the man who owns it, Mr. Stoico, here to pick it up after all the upgrades that we did, and maybe we can goad him into a little bit of a challenge with our new YXZ. Maybe? All right, Mr. Stoico. So, good to see you. It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, I was on tour doing other stuff, and dude, this looks awesome.
Yeah, you like what how it turned out anyway?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm so glad I didn't dive in to try to put this in.
Your wife's probably happy too, because if you asked her to help you out with that,
I'd be all sort of superlatives coming out of my mouth for sure trying to put this in. But no, I just didn't have the time. But no, it's wonderful. The front, I got the bar light, I got this going on, interior light, and then of course the e-brake, which because I go into corners and I want the rear to like rotate, and then I'm so used to touch and brake, and then the front dives, but I don't want the front to dive. I just want the rear end to come around. So
yeah,
that I saw online.
Yeah,
found the guys that make it, got it up here, and yeah, I won't touch the brakes. The brake system, that's your thing. You're the expert on that. So I'm really pumped to see how this works. But I know going out, especially when we're like going out in water and stuff, and I don't always want to get freaking soaked and it's cold.
Yeah.
You know, the windshield I think is great, but the option for it to tilt up. I know AJ at over at Dirt Tracks, he said that sometimes it comes down a little bit off, but he says it still works good. But this looks awesome. I'm totally pumped to try this out.
Yeah. So for anybody that hasn't seen the other video, that is a power tilt windshield. We should demonstrate.
Demo on it. So switch here.
Oh.
What's great, what I love, you can go at any angle and you just stop it anywhere you want. Boom, baby.
Nice one.
I love this tinted visor up here.
Oh, yeah.
This is great, yeah, especially for light coming in. You want to look up and the sun maybe coming on at an angle and stuff. You can just look up, and it's got the tilt, the tinted visor, so that's awesome.
I think what's really awesome is you roll up with this, and then people see that windshield flip up like that. They're gonna be like, "Who the heck is that? Is that Stoico?"
It's Batman.
Is that your new costume for the next show?
Totally.
Nice
exactly.
one.
Yeah, but I gotta do the voice like this. I'm here with my...
Don't be taking that home and doing role play with the wife either, eh?
Maverick. Yeah, scare the crap out of my Maverick. What was it, Turbo RR? My flip-up windshield.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah.
And down she goes. Like, that is pretty slick.
It is pretty awesome. Boom, and then we've got...
Oh, wipey wipe. Nice, clean.
I like that.
Nice one.
So especially when it gets dusty, you know, just the regular poly ones, they're great for a little while, but as soon as they get dirty or some of them get scratched, like this is...
I was worried because when we pulled it out of the box, I thought it was going to be a glass windshield or something like that. And then when I saw that it was just the plastic, I was like, oh, this thing's going to get scratched up the first time we take her out. Yeah. But no, you can see there's not even water streaks on there. She wipes so clean.
No, she's great. I like how the wiper actually is good contact. It's not sitting off the windshield. It's got good contact. You know, they do have the glass ones, but they are more expensive and they stay. And I want the airflow to come in. So yeah definitely, this is friggin' awesome.
Well, there's no denying that this is a sweet rig to begin with, you know, and every little accessory add-on just makes it even nicer. I think, you know, these stickers is what really makes it super sweet.
Oh, that's worth 20 horse.
Right?
Those stickers, we got two, the 10 horse each.
That's right.
Totally.
This thing's like 400 horsepower now.
I know, yeah. Got hidden stickers all over the place.
But the whole idea now, since you've been bringing this over, and you know, we test drive it every time after we put something on it just for fun and whatnot, and it's like every time we do, it's like, this thing's awesome, and we got nothing to be awesome with it, so we had to go out and pick something up. So
I'm excited for that rig, man. I like those Yamahas are awesome. So what's it, 2017?
Yeah, you were talking some smack to us, kind of like you and Lindros back in the day, eh?
Yeah, me and Lindros.
What was that story about you and him in a bar in Muskoka?
Yeah. That's a good shot to the chin. Got a glass jaw.
Yeah.
It might have happened. Might not have happened.
No.
I don't know.
Well, was Tanya Harding with it? Because it's guaranteed she could have taken him out.
Hey, she was carrying a club around with her. I think we all ran out of the bar at that point.
Well, I don't think Lindros could hit as hard as this thing hits when you hammer the gas, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Hopefully this YXZ is anywhere. We haven't tried it, so maybe in a little bit here we can run over to McLeanski's and...
And I think with launch control off the line, this thing will be pretty wicked, I think.
It is. It works pretty good. We were trying it out the other day, and, you know, we didn't have to go to the hospital for whiplash or nothing, but, I mean, it does put you in the back of the seat.
Yeah, it's fun. And it's nothing better than pulling gears.
That's right.
Yeah, that'll be fun. All right, let's go for a rip.
Absolutely. All right, so when we finished this off, you know, we weren't beating on it. You know, we don't, it's not ours. It's not our money invested in it, so took it a little bit easy. I mean, I did see Batman did some donuts right around here with it pretty good, but
it's Batman.
That's right, Batman's allowed to, right?
Batman.
So, you try it out, see how you like the little Ken Block drifting stick, and get some feedback, and we'll get a shot of you ripping her up.
Sounds good.
Nice.
Right, here we go.
Man, that thing sounds sweet when the blow-off valves rock. Stoico coming in hot.
Well, that's fun. Gotta get used to the E-stick a little bit. I get a little bit because I don't know how much because it's really soft out here.
Well, yeah, she's pretty tacky, so I mean, you could go like this and then whoop.
Exactly. You might high side, so I'm just taking it easy.
Remember, race car backwards is still race car. Race car upside down is expensive.
Exactly.
Yeah, I could spend a day doing that.
Oh, dude. And trails and trails. And...
Oh, yeah. All right, Elvis has proven that that thing flies around the track. Let's see how it goes side by side with that. Pretty sure he's gonna dust us, but let's give it a go. Pretty close. Very impressive.
Oh, I think Elvis is stuck in reverse. And we got a clean start. Guess the X3 took that one.
All right, well, a couple drag races there. I think I got the first one. We can all agree about that. Second one, Stoico. Yeah, got that one. Thanks to our little arm drop fella. Thanks, Gabe. Good job, buddy.
That was way too much fun.
So it is. Too bad we're running low on petrol there, but
Yeah.
I'd like to do a little bit more. But I want to still maybe try and get GoPro footage of obviously the back end of your machine, because it seems to be when the legs are stretched, that one is behind that one. But I was surprised that first initial drag race to launch that I kind of roasted you.
Oh no, you destroyed me. I figured if you could, with launch control, these things are pretty amazing. I knew with these take a bit of, you get on throttle, and then they click in, right?
Yeah.
These are the clutches, but once it gets trucking, it's like.
I totally roasted you when the first race, when you were in reverse and I was in forward. And
I know. I was sitting there, and I put it, and we're talking, and I forgot to shift it, and as I'm going, as I see the hands drop them, I think it's in right. Yeah, it's in reverse.
I was supposed to flag our arm drop guy, but with the launch control, you got to hold both paddles, and if I let go of the paddle, I had no launch control, which means Stoico is long gone. So, no, I'm pretty impressed. You know, we all know that X3 of yours is a beast.
Yeah.
I didn't think that the YXZ would even come close to holding a candle to it off the line and in a drag race, but I mean, I'm surprised. It goes to show you that the sequential transmission in those.
Oh, for like the short distances
Yeah.
off the line and stuff, it's awesome.
You know, nowhere near the horsepower of yours, but I'm sure with a turbo or something like that, we could change that. But no, this is awesome. You know, it's fun ripping around with you. I hope you definitely enjoy the machine, the work that we did on it. You know,
it's amazing. For me, I'm just excited to have another friend out with the machine that we can go riding with and do some video and have some fun, which is what I'm up for.
No problem there, buddy.
Sweet.
All right, well, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate it. You know, helps us out. If you liked it, leave a comment. You know, hit the like button, share it. You know, let your friends see this video. And as always, take her easy.